Someone here was hired by Damien. Start with the owner, Robert Racine, and just work your way down. Stay cool, just keep your head.
Didn't find a damn thing. Stay alert. We're done. Keep your head on a swivel. Search around. Don't be sloppy. I got nothing here.
Get in there and find him!
I don't see shit. I'm gonna look over here. I got nothing here. Moving on. Watch out!
Don't see anything. Gonna move on.
Get in there and find him. Nothing here. Moving on. Watch it. Watch your back. Oh, seriously? Seriously? Oh!
Those guys jack. I'll check over there.
Search for it.
I got nothing here. Moving on.
Look out! Nothing here. Moving on. Don't see anything. Gonna move
I
on.
don't see shit. I'm gonna look over here.
Come on, we're done here. Stay sharp. Keep your head in the game. I guess it's nothing. Don't let your guard down.
Keep your eyes peeled. Stay frosty, damn it.
After months of physiotherapy, the verdict is in. Need a brace for life. Eventually a wheelchair. Those bastards crippled me. They wanted to scare me away. Make me flee to Bermuda and start over. What could be so fucking precious? So secret and dangerous that they would cripple a man because he glanced at it. They haven't scared me. They've lit a fire under me.
Taking us off! I don't see shit. Now look over there. Heads up! Don't see anything. Gonna move on. Look out! I got nothing here. Moving on.
computer. We can hack the cameras through the computer.
I'm selling all that bitch and I'm getting all that dough. I'm pushing all the sushi and I'm hitting all the hoes. Chicago River gangsta grinding heavy water slow. My future fucking dark, so this motherfucker blows. Fuck your fishing rods, a bitch stacking eggs raw. Sitting on the corner like a motherfucking pro. Watch my income grow, slapped in all the fucking bones. You can't catch me bird ass cracker, cause I go against the flow.
Robert. Nice to meet you.
Are you double-crossing me? I got you the Pierce woman. The woman, yes. I told you not to go for the kid. Did you think I'd actually pay you more? Now you've complicated things. Who's this guy after me? Did you send him? I didn't send him, but I probably should have warned you about Aiden. You gotta help me, or I'll tell him everything I know. That's exactly why you don't know anything. He's not gonna be happy when he finds that out. Fuck, man, what do I do? Whatever you can. Good luck.
You son of a bitch. You're not getting away from me.
You think
Hello? You're gonna have to get somebody out here quickly, all right?
You got it. They won't get past me. Going in for a hit. Let's knock him off the road. I'll run this guy off the road. Cut him off.
stand back?
Hello? You're gonna have to get somebody out here quickly, all right?
You got it.
Northbound train arriving shortly.
I'm gonna ram the bastard. I'll cut him off. Ram his car, come on!
Come on, come on! My car's fucked! Come on, where'd he go?
Don't fuck with me, Aiden. Wasn't I clear?
You stay away from Jackson.
Yeah, about that. One of my employees got a little overzealous. Your nephew is not on my radar. But you go off the rails again.
Put my sister on the phone.
Listen to you. You think you have any control here? You get to talk to Nikki once you have something useful to give me. Follow that IP address and then we'll talk. Right now, you're just wasting my time.
Damien knows me too well. Knows exactly how I'll react. He must have been planning this for a while. That man always goes too far. He'll hurt Nikki if he doesn't get what he wants. Alright, for now, I'll play his damn game. I'll follow his IP address. But I'm gonna find a way around him.
Stand up, citizens. Fight to maintain your privacy. Fight to keep your city out of the hands of terrorists. Heed our warning, Mayor Rushmore. Restore the city to a demilitarized zone or face the consequences.
There's gotta be a way through this. Damien's all ego. He needs this victory. I'll give it to him. I'll find that second hacker and you'll let Nikki go. Do I believe that? Doesn't matter. Right now, I got no other options.
Watch it, jerk!
Think you so tough?
The man that I'm living with playing with dolls! Are you kidding me? salta a la vista. No tiene
Son of a bitch. Fucking Merlot job. All right, Damien. Let's see if there's something you missed. Right there. Damn it.
What the? Hey, it's me. You called me here.
Shit. I have a lot on my mind.
Yeah?
Okay, come here, take a look at this.
Who is she?
I don't know, the file's corrupt. Do you have any ideas how to make the video play?
This isn't fixable. You need the original.
I'm running a search on your CTOS access.
That's what I wanted to talk to you about.
See, I don't think he knows about this. He would have bragged, I know him.
Who would have bragged?
She might be a lead. Or not. Gotta stay a step ahead of him.
Are you in trouble? An IP address.
Yeah, he gave that to me. Can you find where that leads?
What is all of this? Aiden, answer me. I'm not doing anything until...
He took her, Clara. He's using my sister as collateral.
Oh my God. The man we traced?
Yeah. Damien Brinks.
I can't help you. I'm gonna go. We'll talk later, right? After you're done.
Shh. Come here.
What's happening?
Cover your ears.
Where's your car?
This way!
Aiden! The motel sign!
Here to back you up.
We're taking hits. I got this. Go.
Chris!
I should have been paid more up front. Get covered.
Every available
I
backup.
don't want to be next. Come on. Whoa, help! Step out so I can kill you. Up, asshole.
Units on site.
No!
Shit. Target reacquired. Continue to engage. Cameras will help me here.
We could use some help. Here to back you up.
Go.
Can't do this!
Can pick them off. I have a good vantage. You're clear. I'll track them. Almost there.
Karl ist das Ziel!
Go, I've got you covered. that way. I saw movement there.
This way!
We need every available backup.
What do they want? Who are they?
Relax, we're here.
It's gotta be the search I ran for the IP. What the hell have we hit on? Just stay low. Get us out.
Go for cover. Get to cover. All right. Keep it together. Stay down.
Hey, go now! Go! Get in the car. I'll finish here. What are you doing? Just go!
They're going to trap us.
Holy crap!
Clara, are you okay?
Of course I'm not okay. God, who are you?
I don't know how to answer that.
I know a place where we can talk. Here.
The TV is reporting a fire at the Alamo Town. You can't just check out like everyone else?
When have I ever done like everyone else?
Are we bantering? It's been so long I'm tongue-tied.
Savor it, because you're not gonna see it again. Lost my network. I need some equipment.
Not my concern. You didn't want to work as a team. This is your problem. You figure it out. But do it quick. I need your head in the game. Hey, sweetheart. Your brother wants to talk.
Aiden? Jax, is my baby okay?
He's safe. Where are you?
I don't know. It's cold. I was blindfolded the whole way. I'm scared, Aiden.
I know you are, and I'm getting you out. Look, I know Damien. He's not crazy. He won't hurt you. Just be careful around him.
What do you mean you know him? He kidnapped me.
He's trying to get to me through you.
What?
Time's up. My God, what did you say to her? The poor girl's in tears.
Damien, put her back on.
You want to continue this little chat? You follow that IP address and get me something I can use. Ta-ta.
All right, she's safe. For now. She's somewhere cold. Maybe outdoors. I'll keep her talking and maybe I can find where she is. lost everything. My hard drives, my network access. All right, I need to get back online. Where's Clara? Be careful, Aiden. Don't pull her into this.
Here.
Thanks.
Those men. Who are they?
I don't know. Yeah, they must have picked up on the CTOS search.
That's why I wanted to see you. DedSec says that someone else has the system hacked. I took it, and I gave it to you.
Now, hold on. I didn't give it to anyone. I wouldn't.
We need to trust each other.
You know what? I don't have time to soothe you, Clara. If you don't trust me, there's nothing I can do. Someone shot up my motel room. My sister's gone, and I have nothing. You are not my priority right now.
No, I know that. Of course. Do you know this place? Somewhere near here. It's supposed to be the first test site for CTOS. It is known as the Bunker. At least, that's how the urban legend goes.
The bunker? One with access to the entire city?
Undetected access. I've done months of research on it. City planning, zoning documents, things they don't want us to see. There's a blank spot on every map. Right over there. Ish. And you've lost your damage deposit on a motel.
It's fine. I need to find a way inside that bunker. Undetected access to the whole city. I could use a break right now.
Fuck. I wish I had his energy.
Who are you? If you can do that, you may be my way in. Tobias Frewer. Well, somebody's been on that island recently. His name's Tobias Frewer.
Tobias was one of the CTOS pioneers until Bloom fired him. The man is vraiment crazy. Or on drugs. Maybe both. He lives right near here. There's a homeless camp.
He's homeless?
He's got an underground shop hidden in there. DedSec goes there for some of the more rare hardware. You can't forget him. He's paranoid and won't talk.
I can be persuasive.
I'll let you do the talking.
You really want this place to be real, don't you?
It is real.
So you're buying into the legend.
Papa used to take me camping in Mont Tremblant. He'd always say we were looking for treasure. I didn't understand then that he was stealing from the cabins. Gold watches, tools. The look on his face when it was something special. Like one time, I found an old rusted coin with a regal emperor. He said it was an ancient Roman coin. Priceless. but he let me keep it. Said it was my door to a magic world, the whole Roman Empire. I guess I am a fighter's daughter. Stars in my eyes.
Well, I hope this bunker's real, too.
It's real.
A gang shootout erupted at the Owl Motel earlier, resulting in a gas main explosion. No reports on casualties.
There.
Police are investigating.
That's where Tobias runs his shop.
Thanks to the rapid
Mostly
response
black market
TOS
junk.
network. Police were
Sometimes
able
you
to
can
secure
find
the
rare
area within
schematics,
minutes.
if you're lucky. He's not there. What now?
Someone here knows how to reach him. I'm gonna look around.
What
Fancy
is it?
setup?
I'm in the middle of a poker game. There's somebody at your shop. Well, it's closed. Wait, what do they look like? I don't know, man. Punk rock chick and then it's closed.
He's playing poker. I'll get them to deal me in. Poker game, huh? Let's see where you're hiding. There we go. Hold on, what's this? Someone else is tracking the call. It's gotta be fixers.
Hey, you're not gonna believe this. I finally got a lock on Frewer. I'm going to pick him up now.
There they are. They'll hunt him down fast. I need to stop them.
He's gonna kill somebody!
You were right. He's paranoid. But I found him.
You want to go alone, don't you? All right. I'll meet you at the island.
I need backup.
Force him off the road! Ran him off the road! Hit him! Drive him off the road! Go! Smash into him! Smash into him! Car's dying. Keep after him! Clip him now! Head again! Hit him! Take him out! Shit! Gonna have to sit this one out. started searching. Anyone got a visual? Damn it. Just forget it, he's gone.
Okay, time for a little poker with Tobias Frewer. He's my key to Claire's Island.